I hear say they wan do nationwide protest because of the recent high cost of living in Nigeria. The way things dey put money for market now na only God go help us o. If you are planning to join the protest, please be safe out there. So today we be baking a yummy homemade chocolate cake. Put your buttermilk, Irish cream, water, egg, oil, vanilla extra, sugar and mix properly. Add your flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt and mix properly. Pour the mixture into your baking pan. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes. To prepare your chocolate cream, sieve your powdered sugar, cocoa powder, add milk or Irish cream and mix properly. There you go. Our yummy homemade cake is ready. If you will be trying this recipe, reply in the comment section. For more recipe, follow, like, share and comment. One, bye.